Hi everyone, how's it going? So thank you for welcome back to my channel. So I thought I might share with you guys my healthy lunch that I have at home. I pretty much have salad every single like lunchtime because I just find that if I have anything else like rice or pasta during the day, I feel really sluggish and bloated. So I try and keep that for like nighttime. That's when I really have like pasta, rice and all that kind of stuff. But during the day I just like having salad. So this is what I have been today. It's kind of like a chicken Caesar salad without the Caesar sauce, I guess. So yeah, I hope you guys like. that. I'm just trying to share a lot more of like my food because I get quite a few queries on Instagram about what I have. So I'm just sharing it slowly because I don't know, I guess I just do it as I go. It's just easier. So yeah, this is really easy to have. And then I have it with like the chicken. I actually put it in the air fryer and easy, really simple. And I normally try and make like maybe like 3 to 4 pieces of chicken breast for the week, and then I just mix it up. Sometimes I do the same thing, but I put it in a wrap if I don't feel like just having these. And then, you know, if I'm just still feeling really hungry, so this is what I eat. So yeah, I guess really that is it. I just came from like my workout and I'm like stuck. Well, I hope you guys like this video. I'll be sharing a bit more. All right, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, and let me know in the comments below what other videos you want to see from me. And until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.